Ships at sea are often affected by rolling motions, which can reduce stability, comfort, and even safety. To minimize this, one effective passive solution is the U-shaped roll damping tank, also known as the U-roll tank. The roll damping system is based on a U-shaped tank, fully integrated into the ship's structure and filled with water. The two-side tanks are connected at the bottom by a water channel and at the top by an air duct system. This air duct consists of several pipes, each equipped with remotely operated valves. A dedicated sensor system continuously monitors the oscillation of water and the pressure conditions inside the tank, ensuring safe and efficient operation. Driven by the ship's rolling motion, the water inside the U-shaped tank oscillates in the opposite direction, counteracting the roll. The control system optimizes this effect by coordinating the movement of water with the operation of control valves in the air duct. It measures the ship's roll period and adjusts the tank's oscillation period to nearly the same value, ensuring maximum damping efficiency. During operation, the tank must remain close to the atmosphere. For safety, venting pipes are extended near the bottom of the tank, allowing natural venting in case of malfunction. A bypass line with remote-operated valves at the top provides additional protection. The U-roll tank requires no external energy, making it a passive and energy-saving system. It provides effective roll reduction, especially for passenger ships, ferries, and research vessels. At the same time, its simple design ensures low maintenance and reliable operation. In summary, the U-shaped roll damping tank is a practical, efficient, and proven solution for reducing ship roll. By improving stability and comfort, it continues to play an important role in modern ship design.